Exercise 1.2.17 Filing flat and square rough finish. Objectives: hold the job in a bench-wise horizontally for filing. File a flat surface. Check the flatness of filed job using straight edge or tri-square blade.
Job sequence. Check the material size. Fix the job securely in the vise. Select a bastard file for rough filing and a second cut file for finish filing. File all the 4 side faces 1, 2, 3 and 4 to remove burrs and any visible waviness. File the surface 1 with a flat bastard and a second cut file to get a smooth, flat surface, maintaining the length between surface 1 and 3 as 150 mm plus or minus 0.5 mm. Check the flatness with the blade of a tri-square. File surface 2 with a bastard file and a second cut file. Check at regular intervals during filing whether the angle between the surfaces 1 and 2 is 90 degrees, with a tri-square keeping surface number 1 already made flat as the reference plane. In addition to filing the surface 2 to make 90 degrees with surface 1, maintain the dimension between the surfaces 2 and 4 as 50 mm plus or minus 0.5 mm. Make a final check for the dimensions using a steel rule and for the 90-degree angle between surfaces 1 and 2. Skill sequence. The workpiece is fixed in the bench vise so that its top edge is at 10 mm above the vise jaw. Remove the burrs on the edges of the jaw to avoid injury to your hand. Since the prepared edges of plates are going to be melted during welding, it is enough to check the dimensions of the filed workpiece by a steel rule to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 mm. While checking the squareness of surface 2 with surface 1, ensure that the stock of the tri-square is properly butting with the finished surface 1. For removing more material, use a bastard file, and for smoothing and finishing the surface to size, use a second cut file. Avoid rocking of the file, which will produce a slightly convex surface instead of a flat surface.